Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Exposure and response prevention technique is used for obsessive compulsive disorders and phobia.
exposure and response prevention is used for both obsessive compulsive disorder and phobia. In these conditions, we will expose the patient with the thing which he has fear, or whether he has obsession. We will expose the patient's obsession or fear slowly, and we will ask the patient to prevent the response, to resist the response. So this is obsession, exposure and response prevention technique. Thank you, and thank you for watching.